I've been trying to be more intentional with my evenings lately. Instead of rushing through my days and moving straight onto the next thing, I've been learning to slow down and actually enjoy the little routines that make life feel special. Even something as simple as making dinner, sitting down to eat, and taking care of my space afterwards has become a way for me to reset and reconnect with myself. I hope this video reminds you to find joy in the little moments too. If you enjoy these cozy lifestyle videos, don't forget to subscribe and join me for more. Once I finish dinner, this is usually my favorite part of the evening. The kitchen's clean, I've eaten something comforting, and there's nothing left to do except slow down. The first thing I always do is put my phone on Do Not Disturb. It's such a small habit, but I love having a couple of hours where I'm not checking notifications or replying any messages, and everything can just wait until the next day. I also love to put on my jazz playlist and just set the vibe to be very cozy, very calm and relaxing. I think we're so used to being available all the time that we forget it's okay to disappear for a little while, even if it's just for an evening. It's a nice few hours that belong entirely to me. From this point on, the rest of my night is about taking things slowly, washing my face, getting into the shower, and just really easing into the evening. I don't think anything makes a home feel cozier than the soft glow of candlelight. The moment I light a candle, it's like my brain gets the signal that the day is officially over. Everything feels a little quieter, a little slower, and somehow a little more peaceful. I wasn't even planning on making cookies tonight, but after a while, I started feeling a little peckish, so I thought, why not? There's something comforting about the smell of warm cookies filling my apartment. It just instantly makes the place feel homier, and somehow the evening feels a bit more special. One thing I've been trying to do is romanticize the little moments that are so easy to overlook. Baking a batch of cookies, pouring a cold glass of milk, dimming the lights, and letting myself enjoy the evening without rushing through it. None of it is extravagant, but put together, those little rituals make my home feel like my favorite place to be. And of course, no cozy night is complete without a good film. I'm watching The Notebook, which has been my favorite comfort movie for the longest time. I don't know what it is about romantic films, but they always leave me feeling so warm, hopeful, and just completely relaxed. Sometimes that's exactly what I need after an exhausting day of being in front of tireless screens and Excel sheets. To end the night, I wanted to spend some time reading. At the moment, I've been obsessed with Strangers by Belle Burden, which is such an interesting memoir. Like, You guys, this memoir has taken over my entire mind and my FYP. I've seen so many people talking about it, and it just follows like Belle Burden's entire like breakdown of her marriage. She's super upper echelon and super wealthy. It's so intriguing, so interesting. Like, I read it on my iPad. I had to get the physical copy. I feel like it's such a must read, and as somebody who really enjoys reading and just finds it so therapeutic, her book was so easy to get through. Like, if you've read Strangers by Belle Burden, please, I would love to know your thoughts. And if you have any recommendations for me to add to my reading list, please leave them in the comments.